Return to the Mac, get up what it is, what it does, what it is, what it isn't. Looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking a new hit. Me get up, first shot, come strut walking. Little bit of humble, little bit of cautious. Somewhere between like Rocky and Cosby's for the game. Nope, nope, y'all can't copy yet. Glad moonwalking, and this here is our party. My posse's been on Broadway, and we did it all way. Chrome music, I shed my skin and put my bones into everything I record to it. And yeah, I'm on. Let that stage light go and shine on down. Got that Bob Barker suit game and Plinko in my style. Money, stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds. But I do that to pass the torch and put on for my town. Trust me, on my INDEPENDENT shit hustling. Chasing dreams since I was 14 with the 4-track bustin'. Halfway across that city with the back crush shit. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give that to the people, spread it across the country. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give it to the people, spread it across the country.
Here we go back, this is the moment. Tonight is the night, we'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Here we go back, this is the moment. Tonight is the night, we'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
Nah, can I kick it? Thank you, yeah, I'm so damn grateful. I grew up really wanna go fronts, but that's what you get when Wu-Tang raised you. Y'all can't stop me, go hard like I got an 808 in my heartbeat. And I'm eating at the beat like it gave a little speed to a great white shark on shark week. Raw, time to go off, gone, deuces goodbye. I got a world to see, and my girl, she wanna see Rome. Caesar make you a believer, nah, I never ever did it for a throne. That validation comes from giving it back to the people. Now, sing this song and it goes like, raise those hands, this is our party. We came here to live life like nobody was watching. I got my city right behind me. If I fall, they got me. Learn from that failure, gain humility, and then we keep marching.
Can we go back? This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Go back. This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
Te coloca.
Get low when the whistle go. Get low when the whistle go. Get low when the whistle go.
We are the baddest motherfucker boy. We ride shotty and chopper boy. Me have links all over the world. I'm sicker than bipolar. Extension banana. We money hotter than a lava. We no friend in farmer. Just prepare if you come boy. Tell them any day, I will want them anyway. Lie down on me belly with the ass belly. Stand up with the rifle, taller than the Eiffel. If you make a move, I put a shot in your Michael Jordans. You like that? Dear Jordan, number 23, shot me give to enemy. Head bounce like a basketball, then drop down like a rolling wall. Yeah, me gun them article, yeah, this appear is magical. We are the baddest motherfucker boy. We ride shotty and chopper boy. Me have links all over the world. I'm sicker than bipolar. Tell them me are the baddest artist. I'm going target practice. Me never left no weakness. If you left on me hit this, no fingerprints or evidence. I'm cleaning up the residence. So if you're talking about the US, talk about the president. Me have a gun when the bossy goes so lelelelele. Kick off your head just like a belelelele. They never know say that me back from Australia to lelelelele. That's why I smoke a lot of smell lelelele. Cause man born in a place where gunshot bust daily. And we not for the army or the navy. Bad from baby, bad from ABC 1, 2, 3 and even go rainy. We are the baddest motherfucker boy. We ride shotty and chopper boy. We have links all over the world. I'm sicker than bipolar. See what me tell you, sir? We are the baddest motherfucker boy. We ride shotty and chopper boy. We have links all over the world. I'm sicker than bipolar. See what me tell you, sir? 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 See what me tell you, sir?
Yeah, you can be the greatest, you can be the best. You can be the King Kong banging on your chest.
You could beat the world, you could beat the war. You can talk to God, go banging on his door.
You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock. You can move a mountain, you can break rocks.
You could be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you gon' find yourself
Standing in the Hall of Fame. And the world's gonna know your name. Cause you're better than God's fame. And the world's gonna know your name. And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. You can go the distance, you can run the mile. You can walk straight through hell with a smile.
You could be the hero, you teachers, be politicians, be preachers, be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions.